यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं, we can go deeper and deeper, but it's a very interesting chart. But it's just that if there is somebody who can advise him, I'm sure he is astrologer would have advised him to be careful at this point. So I believe
because he does the Rudra Puja, as I know. He is always he is a fan of Shiva.
So that is good for him, Rudra Abhishek. But then again, the kind of affliction यहाँ पर हो रहा है, so hopefully things would be okay for him. But ये एक महीना need to be very careful. 15th of July तक you need to be very very careful. Especially जब आपका केतु का एक केतु जब रिलेशन बना रहा है इन सब चीजों के साथ, so यहाँ पर एक इशू देखना पड़ेगा हमें. So as we were talking about sun, another interesting fact that I want to share about the sun. Sun तो यहाँ पर एफ्लिक्शन आ ही रहा है, पर एक चीज और भी है कि क्योंकि अभी सारा कुछ जो प्लैनेट्स हैं वो राहु केतु के एक्सिस में है. और एक चीज और मैं आपको बताऊं कि एक देयर इज अ कांसेप्ट ऑफ solar cycle. Okay, and this was actually not exactly invented, but researched by a Russian scientist in 1960s 70s called Zhezhevsky. Stalin actually put him behind bars because of his theories. In that theory, and when Khrushchev came, he was put behind in the Siberia area for 50 years. Then Khrushchev came in and took him out. So basically, theory says, it's very interesting. There's always an 11-year cycle that sun goes through when it changes polars. अपने poles change करता है magnetic field. Okay, that is called solar cycle. And और ये solar cycle अभी 2019 के end से start हुआ है नया solar cycle. And according to an Indian scientist, I can share you the link in which he has put an article that 2020 का जो solar cycle है वो बहुत ही पावरफुल सोलर साइकिल है. एंड दिस Zhezhevsky आफ्टर 700 years का रिसर्च में ये निकाला है इसने कि whenever there is a change in the polarization of the sun, there is always a problem in earth, like wars, epidemics, and so on and so forth, revolts. And he has given the 3 phases of this whole solar cycle. The first phase would be when there will be an autocratic rule by every government, and there will be a small revolt. The third phase will be when the government will be thrown out, and a new set of political thing will come. And finally, there will be peace. So ये 3 phases ने उसने दिए हैं, जिसमें पहला जो phase है वो 2 साल का है, फिर बाकी जो है आपके बाकी के cycles हैं. 11-year cycle में उसने about 10 years का ये मोटा मोटी दिया है. So again, so पहले 2 साल का है और बाकी के 3 से 4 साल का ये वो रहता है सोलर साइकिल. So एक सन का यही भी एक बहुत एक फैसेट है जो शायद काफी लोगों को मिस हो गया है. They should look into it, do some research. I think astronomers and astrologers about the solar cycle afflictions in this whole sun thing. So वही है. So we need to understand sun's affliction here. और जैसे मैं कह रहा हूँ कि the best राशि would be benefiting would be Leo, and the worst would be the Scorpio, because sun is going to Ashtam. The worst will be Scorpio. I have witnessed already
the people with Scorpio Lagna, they have started very rebelliously. And
absolutely.
Also the king is Mars over there. Mars is also coming into the picture.
बिल्कुल. And Mars भी अपनी राशि चेंज करेगा. It will go into the debilitated sign. It will go into the mean राशि. Pisces में जाएगा. Pisces is a watery sign. Mars is a heat sign. यहाँ पर भी बहुत अच्छा नहीं रहेगा. और मार्स यहाँ पर होने के साथ उसकी 4th दृष्टि राहु पर पड़ेगी. और मार्स अपने आप में राहु में है, तो राहु से अब वो नेक्स्ट अपना चेंज करेगा, जुपिटर में जाएगा. सो बहुत सारी चीजें होंगी, बट माय मेन फोकस एरिया वुड बी टू सी द सन्स.
Actually, that was also one of the reason to bring Sanjay Dutt's horoscope, because he is a Scorpio ascendant.
Ascendant.
And
Yeah.
what happens is, especially the Scorpio sign is not considered to be in Parashray. You are my guru. Like I don't have to tell all this, but especially about the Scorpio sign, they do a lot for humanity, for everybody in the nearby. But they are like culprit in the eyes of everybody.
Yes. उसका एक बहुत बड़ा रीजन है, कभी आप देखिएगा स्कॉर्पियो साइन का रीजन ये है कि मार्स तो रूलर तो है एसेंडेंट का, लेकिन मार्स और ये किसी और साइन के साथ नहीं है जहां तक मुझे पता है। मार्स का मूल त्रिकोण राशि जो है वो छठे भाव में आ जाता है, इसीलिए उनके लाइफ के साथ पैराडॉक्स होता रहता है। रोग ऋण शत्रु उनके लाइफ में रहेगा ही रहेगा। रोग ऋण शत्रु ये 6 से डेवलप हो जाता है कि उनके लिए बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट करता है। आई थिंक स्कॉर्पियो ascendants आर एट द रिसीविंग एंड among all the zodiac signs. You know,
सर
बहुत एनर्जी भी बहुत होता है
जी, they are born with energy.
Yeah, absolutely. But they cannot dispense their energy in the right way. और अगर कहीं उनका राहु खराब हो गया या उनका मरकरी खराब हो गया तो समझ लो बहुत सारे कष्ट वो झेलते हैं। अपने जगह पर ऊंचे तो पहुंचते हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं है। आपने ज्यादातर सिविल सर्वेंट्स, गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट्स, टफ डिसीजन मेकर्स, कमांडर्स, ब्रिगेडियर्स, इंडियन आर्मी, आर्म फोर्सेस, सीआईडी में इन्वेस्टिगेशन, रॉ, इसमें सारे के सारे आपको देखेंगे मैक्सिमम स्कॉर्पियोज हैं। स्कॉर्पियोज इसमें इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं, लेकिन उनका लाइफ थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट जाता है।
Bad thing of the recession, which actually led to 2020. And again, going back, we had this World Trade Center incident. Something or the else is there every 10 to 11 years connected to each other.
That is because of the solar cycle. Solar cycle has been there, but he was the first scientist. Now I'll tell you, there is a concept called cosmic chemistry, Brahmandiya Rasayan, which is a newer science, which you're going to see very soon in being taught in different universities as well. Now, cosmic chemistry says that whole universe is like a unified body, and everywhere there is a vibration or a change. It actually happens in every speck and atom of the universe. That is why astrology exists. And what happened was, when he gave this theory about from his research of 700 years, when he did all this research, it's called hysterectomy. What I will do is I will share you the link of that Wikipedia page if you want. Right? Okay. So what happens is, so people can read it over there, the more details. So what happens is, the communist regime of Stalin holds generally that every revolt takes place because of the economic disparity in the class. And here is a scientist from his own country is saying it is a solar or the sun which actually activates this. So one of these theories has had to be thrown out of the window. And what happened was Stalin threw him to Siberian desert. Because if the effect of the sun has to be believed, then the communist or socialism theory fails. Okay, and the problem happened was, till now, nobody has been able to refute his theory. Nobody has been able to prove him wrong. Dzerzhavsky's theory I'm talking about. So this is again an 11-year cycle. I will share you both the links of Dzerzhavsky and the Indian scientist working with NASA who have come up with this, that 2020, a new and more powerful cycle has already started. Now, I had always wondered why nobody was speaking about this. I'm talking about the astrologer community. It is very important to understand these solar cycles, the solar cycles of the day itself. Every solar cycle also happens every day, where our moods, our hormones changes with every prahar as the sun, because sun is the most powerful planet. And the only planet that we can see, and solar and sun is a very organic planet. It's not static planets. You know, right now millions of nuclear explosions are happening in the sun. How can it not affect us? When a small changes in the moon affects our moods and in the sea, you know, this is the whole. So I will share you the link. The solar cycle has to be taken, and it's going to stay in for 11 years. So as you can see, lot of problem has already started. There are fires, there are revolt, there are unnecessary brutality all over the world. So I'm not talking about India. And there's of course this pathogen. One of the, if you see his theories on the 3 cycles, he specifically specifically mentions epidemic. Specifically mentions epidemic, and this epidemic has happened. So, and it's not, frankly, it's not going to. It's going to stay here for another at least 6 years. When after 6 years we may find some sort of relief. और तब तक ये काफी पॉपुलेशन को हर्ट कर चुका होगा, और ये अभी वॉर लाइक सिचुएशन भी क्रिएट कर देता है. As you can see the things happening with China, and you know, yeah. So this is what solar does. The solar cycle does to our cycle.
But sir, I would like to add over here. If the people they listen to your video, they check your video. Actually, you should consider boosting this video, because you had predicted this long back.
Yes.
Or
yes.
the war kind of thing.
Yes.
It took me a little bit longer time for editing and putting that video, but still it was earlier than what they discussed about the China thing.
Yes, yes. I think it was in January itself. I had put a specific video where I had talked about that China would be doing this, and Madhyastata, and if somebody, a country which would come in to bring in peace would be the United Kingdom. This I predicted. So let's see. Hopefully it doesn't happen. Hopefully it doesn't happen, and God gives everybody, you know, good reason, and everywhere peace is there. But the solar cycle suddenly is after our lives. So considering the planet's position as of Rahu and Ketu's axis, this is one. Secondly, Mercury's very bad position. Thirdly, Sun's going into the Ardra Nakshatra, sitting with Mercury and Rahu, and finally on the top of it, a solar cycle. So I think except solar cycle, rest of it has been talked about in more or less videos, but so nobody right now has talked about solar cycle. Let me actually, do we have time?
Yes, sir. But what I will do is, I got an intimation already. We'll end this meeting and rejoin again, because that sharing of Wikipedia page.
So what I can do is I can give you the link of the new theory is coming, where the unified action of each and every meteoroid or satellite affects everything in this whole universe is mentioned. So this again, and you know, and the interesting part is all the constellation and all the theories given by our rishis in Parashara and other Varamira, it's right now being proven right because of the scientific invention, the latest scientific invention. When the satellites are going up, they would see the nakshatra, they will see the distance between the nakshatra, and they will see the changes in the nakshatra, and so on and so forth. So they are actually corroborating Paramihir and Parashari and other great sages have been saying so far. The whole question mark is, how did they come